everyone, so today we're going to divide using fractions. So in the same unit, 6.2, I can divide using fractions. Don't forget about your name and the date. So let's review how to multiply fractions. So when we multiply fractions, we just multiply straight across. So in this case, we'll do 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. And 5 times 4 is 20. And then let's reduce this down to 1/5. Okay, remember when we're multiplying fractions, we just multiply straight across. Oh, here's a division problem. 40 divided by 5. So you can rewrite it if you want. 40 divided by 5. No, 40 divided by 5 is 8. Hopefully you got that. So, when we're dividing fractions, all we're doing is the same thing as multiplying fractions. We're doing a step before that. So we are keeping the first fraction, we are changing the sign, and then we are flipping the second fraction. So I'll show you what I mean. So down here we have an example. We have 2/3 divided by 6/7. So we're going to do our first step, which is keep. So we keep the first fraction. And I'm going to rewrite it. 2/3. And then we're going to change the sign. So instead of dividing, we're changing to multiplication. And then we get to flip. So we flip the fraction reciprocal. So what I mean by reciprocal is we flip the numerator and the denominator. So we're just going to write 7/6. And then we reduce, multiply, and simplify. So what does that mean, reduce, right away? So that means we can look and see if any of these numbers can be reduced. So 3 and 7, those are pretty much reduced. But 2 and 6, we can reduce both of these by 2. So I'm going to write, because 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now I'm going to multiply straight across. 7 times 1 is 7, and 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 7/9. And 7 cannot go into 9, and 9 cannot go into 7. There's no nice numbers to do that. So this is our answer, 7/9. Let's try some more down below. So we have 5/2 divided by 4/9. So we keep the first fraction, we change the sign, and then we flip the second fraction to its reciprocal. So 9/4. And let's look at our numbers. Let's see if we can reduce. 5 and 4. Nope. 9 and 2. Nope. So now we multiply straight across. So 5 times 9 is 45. And 2 times 4 is 8. Now, let's simplify. 45 divided by 8. I know 40 divided by 8 will get me 5. And if I have 40 minus 5, I'll have 5 left over. So I have 5/8. So this is my simplified answer. Make sure we're always simplifying. Now, let's try to do number 2. Try it on your own and then come back. Alright, so welcome back. Don't forget when you are doing keep, change, flip, you're keeping the first fraction, changing the sign, and then flipping the fraction. So I got 21/40ths, and just off the top of my head, I'm thinking about what can I simplify both sides by. 21 only goes into 7 and 3, and 40 does not go into 7 or 3, so this is as simplified as it's going to get.